Hello, my name is Shawn State with Pratt Industries, with a reminder about the importance of recycling. Not only is recycling the first link in the manufacturing supply chain, it is also a major contributor to the U.S. economy. Over 75% of U.S. paper mills utilize some recovered paper in their paper-making operations. However, at Pratt Industries, all 5 of our paper mills use 100% recycled material exclusively, making us one of the largest consumers of residential mixed paper in the country. And most of that paper is collected at curbside recycling bins in hundreds of municipal recycling programs throughout the country. That recycled material collected is then used to produce those corrugated boxes you use and receive every day. Having worked at Pratt for nearly 2 decades, it's great to be a part of a company that makes an essential product.